brief you, last night we have raided one more, wherein we have rounded up, taken in custody 3 Swedish nationals. All 3 Swedish nationals are without visa. They are overstaying. They are found in possession of 24.8 grams of LSD liquid worth rupees 2.5 crores. Then 70 pieces of LSD paper worth rupees 7 lakhs. We have also got 49.3 grams of ketamine liquid worth 2.5 lakhs. We have also got ketamine powder 1.5 grams worth rupees 15,000. So total worth of the drug seized is 2 crore 59 lakh 65,000. We have right now, our team has gone to the court along with the accused for obtaining remand for further investigation into this case.
This in Goa for how many months or years?
Last 3 years.
Now they are overstaying. Like they don't.
As of today, they are overstaying.
Where they were staying?
They were staying in Arambur, Madlavada, Arambur.
What they were doing in business or just tourism?
We are presently investigating. So full night our team also has worked and full morning, and now team has gone. So investigation will continue.
So after your investigation, you will be handing over them to the person processes for overstaying case.
Overstay case will be booked against them, and they will be taking them on the list. We won't be directly handing them over because our investigation is the primary things. We need to know their backward, forward linkages and all others involved in this activity.
Overstay and NDPS.
In DPS, we have already booked of the drug. During the booking of this NDPS, when we checked their passports for their identity, we found that they did not have visa. They have overstayed.
Names of this sharing them?
Yes, I will share them. 3 Swedish nationals.
How long they have been on expired visa?
Last nearly 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Still they are staying?
Yes.